For my instructional video, I'm going to be showing how you can use Google Docs to make a PowerPoint presentation. A lot of Mac computers do not come with PowerPoint, so you often have to buy it. But why buy it when you have a free version through Google? So to start your PowerPoint presentation, you're going to go to what I like to refer to as the waffle. Once you click on the waffle, you'll be given multiple options. You're going to go down to slides. Once you hit slides, a new tab will open showing all of your previous shared and completed PowerPoints. These are a couple of mine. And to start a new one, you're just going to go to this plus sign at the bottom. And now a new PowerPoint will be started. You'll be given the option of multiple layouts to use. I'm just going to go ahead and pick dark granite. Hit OK, and then Google will generate your PowerPoint. You can see the template is very similar to PowerPoint. Now you can make your title Snagit. And you can go ahead and put your name by Mike Accessory. So I'm just going to put my name. I misspelled my own name. So there you go. And to adjust the location of your text box, you want to hit this very thin blue line right here. And then it will center it for you. And to add new tabs, you simply hit this plus button. And new tabs will start to generate with text box. Going back to our first slide, we want to insert a picture. So we can look at our options and we can just hit insert and it'll say insert image, video, word art. We're just going to insert an image. So it's going to take you to this screen and you can either take a snapshot, use a URL, choose from your own photos. But for this, we're going to use a URL. You can see it pulls up a URL link. So we will open a new tab in our browser and we'll just Google Snagit presentation and see what comes up. Images. And we can see we have a lot of options to choose. I'm just going to choose this one with the bike. View image. And once you hit view image, you'll only have the image on the screen. That's what you want. Now you're just going to highlight the text in your browser, which is the URL. Go back to your presentation and paste it. And there's your image. Once you hit select, your image will pop up. And you do need to crop it to size. So you can crop it by hitting these little boxes and making it smaller. You might want to adjust your text boxes so your image fits better. And the red lines will help you center it. And there you go. There's your first page. And then you can move through and add different text and images later in your presentation. Now say you want to add a video to your next slide. We can start by titling our slide video, and then we want to add it into this lower text box. So once again, we're going to go to insert, and we'll now go down to video. And I've already searched Snagit, but let's say I search bike rides. And a list of videos will come up. You can prepare your videos in advance so you know exactly what to search. So when you come to the screen, you can type in exactly what is listed, and that way you won't have any problem searching. Once you find your video, select it, hit select, and then it should pop up in your presentation. And you can adjust it once again to size, and then your video will be all ready to play. Now, adding images and videos to a Google Docs presentation is generally the hardest thing you can do. And if you're familiar with working with PowerPoint, then you have a basic idea how to use Google Slides. And it's a useful tool because you might be somewhere where you don't have PowerPoint, but you have access to a computer. You can always go to your Google Drive, which is located using the waffle right here. And you'll be able to input your email and go to slides and work on your presentation with the same tools. So that concludes my brief introduction on how to use Google Slides to make a presentation for your next upcoming class. I hope this is beneficial to you. Thank you.